So I was in the Czech Republic a couple months ago. Notice how I just kind of casually slide that in there. It was so cool. There was a group, a tour, that I was the guest artist on. There were 50 of us that went to the Czech Republic, and we got to tour bead factories and all sorts of stuff like that. That is a trip that I will be taking on a regular basis, so keep an eye on my website at jillwisemandesigns.com if that is something that you would like to join me on. But that's a whole different topic. What I'm really here to tell you about is the fact that I was using this little pair of scissors when I was teaching the classes on the trip. And the ladies on the tour were like, "What is that pair of scissors you have there? You're holding out on us." And I was like, "Well, as a matter of fact, I have been holding out on you." These are my new go-to travel scissors. You know how we're always looking for the right thing to cut that fire line or cut, some people will even use like the Kevlar thread and stuff, and it's hard to find the right tool to cut those lines. And I kind of got sent a pair of these scissors and I fell in love with them. So here's the good things about these scissors. Number one, this little cap. So this is why I call them, personally, I call them my travel scissors, because being able to put this cap over the tip of the very pointy, sharp scissors and protect everything in my luggage or in my beading package, or my beading, I don't know, kit that I carry around. I think that's a really useful, incredibly useful thing, because I have actually poked myself by having scissors stab me through the fabric of a bag before. So I love this cap. It is attached by a little elastic piece, so the cap never goes anywhere. It stays with your scissors. Is that not brilliant? Hello? The scissors are super sharp. Love the scissors. So they cut the fire line really well. There is a little it's not a jump ring, a split ring off on the side here. So if you want to hang like a little personal bauble or something else, some other kind of tool onto your scissors, you can do that. Let me bring you in a little closer here so I can kind of show you a little more close up. So here's the little split ring and a spot on either side where you can hang a bauble or a tool or something there. There's the elastic so that this stays on and with your scissors the whole time. And then let me show you, this is some 6-pound fire line here, and it cuts it like butter. And it cuts it right up at the tip really nicely. So you can, one of the things that I really like about this is how tight you can get in to your beadwork with that tip, and it'll cut it. It will cut up to a 20 gauge craft wire. So you can actually use this with wire. I've been using it with my beading wire, so my soft flex and my Beadalon, I've been using it to cut, and then the finer gauges of wire, so 20 gauge or less, you can use this to cut with, and it has stayed sharp forever. So I really, like I said, this is my go-to travel scissors now. It also has, this is like almost like a it's some kind of file right here, and I'm not 100% sure of the reason for that. I suppose if you are cutting wire, you could use this little file to kind of file off any burrs on the end of your wire there. And let's face it, hey, if you've got a nail emergency, there you go. I'm going to guess that that's what that's for, is to smooth any ends of any metal wire right there. But it's an inexpensive item. I think it's really useful. And like I said, if you travel with your beading, whether it's to class or to the Czech Republic, this is the way to go. I am now carrying these as an item in our store at jillwisemandesigns.com. Highly recommend them. Happy beading!